Hi and welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name is Save with Crypto, and yesterday I was looking at the price of Bitcoin and I was looking at various time frames. The one that was interested me quite a lot was the daily time frame, and what I'd noticed is that when I added our indicator, which is called Quadzilla, which adds various things to the chart, including these EMAs, these exponential moving averages. Now what I've noticed here is that the yellow 21 EMA and the green 55 EMA are getting very close to crossing, but they're not quite crossing just yet. Now if they cross, I think it'll be very bullish, because the last time it did that, the price of Bitcoin went up $38,000. That was in April last year. Now it doesn't look like anything's going to happen for another day or so. But what I did start thinking was, well, how does that look with, say, Solana? Well, to be honest, it's pretty much the same kind of chart, really. The EMAs are getting fairly close, but they're not really there, are they? However, Ethereum is a slightly different story. With Ethereum, they have crossed bullish, and they did that yesterday. So today is the first candle when these EMAs, the 55, 21, 9 and even the 5 are all in the order to show that we have a trend in motion to the upside. This is very bullish, so I think the price of Ethereum is going to go up, and that may lead the rest of the market. That's just my thoughts. None of this is financial advice, of course. Please note that this content is for educational and entertainment purposes only and is not financial advice. Any information or opinions provided are not guaranteed to be accurate or complete. Always conduct your own research before making any financial decisions. A full legal disclaimer is in the description of each video and live stream. If we come down to the 1 hour time frame with Ethereum, you can see that what happened here was the yellow and green EMAs were looking quite bullish until Friday, when they did cross slightly bearish and then just kind of wiggled around a little bit. But now we do have also a trend in motion to the upside. Red, cyan, yellow, green, 5, 9, 21, 55. So to me, Ethereum's looking good. Let's check on Bitcoin on the 1 hour. Okay, well this hasn't been quite so good, has it? Because they crossed bearish here on Friday, and it's not really done anything other than go down a little bit from there. So are they likely to cross bullish soon? Well, of course, what I marked the other day was my estimated level that we'd have to go to close the CME gap that was left open on Friday, which from here is about another $350. Not too far. Now tomorrow is a bank holiday in the US. It is Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and that is Monday the 19th of January. So markets in the US are closed tomorrow. So it got me thinking, that are the CME markets open? So it says here the Chicago Mercantile Exchange is open and opens up tonight. So it opens in 10 hours, 12 minutes and 1 second, which for us here in the UK is 11 p.m. So that's 11 p.m. UTC as well. So you can work that out from where you are. Now, it's very likely that the price will return to that level either tonight or very early in the week, or maybe even later in the week. But I would say for the moment, it is looking like the price should come back up here a little bit. And I think that will happen, especially if the price of Ethereum continues to rise. It did also make me think about what's going on with the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, which is actually looking quite lively on the 1 hour time frame. If we go to the daily, you can see that we've also got this bullish cross now of the EMAs, the 21 and 55, the yellow and the green, which happened on Tuesday the 6th of January, after quite a long period of down from last October. Now Quadzilla has drawn this bearish retracement level up here, but it's quite far up. Ethereum would have to rise nearly 11% against the price of Bitcoin to get there. So I don't think that's going to happen quickly, but it probably will happen at some point. So of course this got me thinking, is this the start of some kind of alt season as well? Will altcoins start to recover a little bit in the next few weeks? Well, maybe they will. Maybe they are already. I mean, there's some weird ones coming out of the woodwork like Chili's, Render, Pengu, and some I've never heard of like CC, Dino coins like Dash and Tezos. Yeah, it could be interesting. But what I'm going to be doing is keeping an eye on the daily time frame with Bitcoin, looking for this cross here of the 55 EMA and the yellow 21 EMA. These are part of Quadzilla, but you could actually set that up using the normal indicators on TradingView if you wanted. Just get a 21 EMA and a 55 EMA. Of course, it's much better if you've got Quadzilla though, so go to savewithcrypto.org/QZ to find out about that. Okay. Right, I'm going to get on with my Sunday now, so do have a great end of the weekend. I'll see you all later. If you're in the US, enjoy your day off tomorrow. We'll be doing a live stream at midday as usual, so do come along if you're around. But before you go, can you do us a massive favour? Can you give this video a like and make sure that you are subscribed and you've got the notifications turned on? It really helps if you leave a comment as well, even if it's just like hello or what you're going to have for Sunday lunch. It all works great if you do that. And above all, tell your friends.